If your Ring Chime Gen 2 won't connect or keeps dropping offline, we can get it back in sync in under 2 minutes. The vast majority of connection issues are solved by a simple power cycle or a network frequency check. First, let's start with a fresh slate by resetting the hardware. Unplug your chime for 60 seconds, then hold the side reset button until the status light begins to pulse. Make sure you are connecting to a 2.4 GHz network, as this device often struggles with 5 GHz bands. Double check that your phone's Bluetooth is on and any active VPNs are disabled before you start the setup. If the status light never flashes after a reset, you might be looking at a hardware failure rather than a software bug. Almost half of all setup failures are caused by trying to connect to the wrong Wi-Fi frequency band. Once the light is flashing, use the Ring app to scan the QR code and follow the on-screen prompts. To prevent future drops, ensure the chime is plugged into an open area, roughly halfway between your router and doorbell. Remember, even if your phone shows full bars, the small antenna inside the chime needs a clear path to the router. If you're still stuck, reach out to Ring support for replacement, and I'll see you in the next fix.